Welcome to M&M Plants and Pets, guys. This video will cover what is the importance of using a moss stick or a coconut stick in any ivy or any plant that is like creeper. How does it help your plant to be healthy and grow faster? If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. So today I'll be showing you how to use a moss stick when you're planting any ivy. In my case, I'm planting my devil's ivy today using this pot. So the first step is I've added some hay. The reason I add hay is because it helps me keep the soil moist along with some potting mix. And the potting mix is basically nothing but it has all that is required for a healthy growth of a plant. So any potting mix can be bought, and that should be good for your devil's ivy or any other plant to grow well. This is one of the most important steps where you have to be very careful of the roots that you do not disturb them. And I'm doing this in the evening time. You might see sun, but it is like around 6:30. So the sun is not very strong. So I would recommend you that whenever you are repotting or doing this, either do it in the early morning or in the evening time when the sun rays are not very hot, and otherwise it will disturb the roots of the plants. And once it is done, we can always water them properly. The reason I use potting mix while planting my indoor plants is so that every now and then I do not need to add the fertilizer, and the potting mix has every single nutrients that a plant requires for a healthy growth. So I would highly recommend you all getting potting mix and using it. And then after a few months, probably I would give them some liquid fertilizers like Seaweed Fertiliser, which should be enough for my indoor plants. Now it is very important for us to ensure that the plant is having the support of the moss stick. So what I have done is I've had a thread and I used it so that I can tie it with the moss stick, and now my money plant will climb using this moss stick, and the roots will be intacted and bounded with this moss stick, which will make it very easy for the plants to grow faster. Once the planting is done, I will add water. When we are adding water to this plant, I will add it on the moss stick so that the moss stick becomes moist. It receives the water and the plant will receive it as well, because the roots and the base of the moss stick are together. So whenever you have moss stick, you should always water it like this so that the roots will receive good amount of water, especially when the roots are on the moss stick. So this is done. My money plant with moss stick support is ready. It is also called coconut stick, and there are a lot of names, but the most important thing is that you should definitely have one of these in your houses, and you will see that your money plants are very, very happy. All set and done, and they'll be in my room now. So this is how I use my moss stick for my money plant. And there's one more that I have done wherein I have used a snow Queen Pothos, and there is one Monstera. So the reason I've used two plants in one is I just want some change. I want two different shades in one pot, and as you can see, I've used a thread to tie it so that these can take a good support of the moss stick. So do try this moss stick method and let me know if it works well for you. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.